Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up any Vivo phone. So is your Vivo phone feeling slow or laggy? You don't need to worry. In this tutorial, I've got quick and easy tips to clean your storage, boost your RAM, and speed up your phone instantly. So let's just get into it. So the first one, you can use the iManager for instant cleanup. You can just open the iManager app if your phone has one. This one. So it comes pre-installed on all Vivo phones apparently. And here you can just go with this space cleanup options. So it will remove junk files, clear case data, and free up valuable space in seconds. Okay, you can just tap on clean up all. You can also tap on deep clean up to scan for rarely used files and large apps. And the second one, you can boost RAM and background management. So you can go to the settings on your Vivo phone and find the RAM and storage space settings, this one. And in here, you can just turn on the RAM expansion to convert some of your storage into extra RAM. This one, as you guys can see, I already turned it on, the extended RAM. So this will help apps run smoother. You can also do background app control. So under the battery settings, you can just find the app management and turn on smart background management to stop unused apps from eating up memory. And next, you can also disable animations and transition. For older or budget models, animations can slow things down. So you can just go to the settings and find the system option. And you need to enable the developer options and reduce the Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. You can set them to 0.5 on or off for faster response. You can also uninstall or disable bloatware because you need to remove or disable apps you don't use. So just long press on the app and go to the app info and uninstall or disable it. So this will create up space and stop a background activity. And there you go, your Vivo phone should feel way faster now. Let me know if it helped and drop a comment if you're seeing the speed boost. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the thanks button. Bye!